Hey, have you ever tried to build an emoji picker or search highlights or any other kind of UI that follows the cursor in a text input? If you have, you probably know that it's complicated, which is why on the Edge team we've been working on a new browser API that makes it all a lot simpler. So let me introduce the OpaqueRange feature. It's a new web API that lets you create live ranges over the text that's inside a text area or an input element. And it enables you to position pop-ups or highlight text in the text inputs without any hacky workarounds. So before OpaqueRange, before that feature, what did we have to do? Well, if we wanted to position, let's say, an emoji picker at the caret, we had to create a hidden div with the same text as the text area, synchronize all of the styles that could affect the layout of the text within this text area, calculate the position of the caret manually, and keep everything in sync as the user would use the text area. With OpaqueRange, you can do the same thing in like 3 lines of code. First, you create an OpaqueRange object at the position that you want, for example, where the caret is. And you do this by using textarea, the create value range. Then you simply get the range's position by using getBoundingClientRect. And finally, you can just use that position to place your pop-up wherever you need. With this, the browser handles all the geometry, all the styling, and it even tracks the range automatically for you. Accessibility is preserved as well because you can keep on using your native form controls without any hacks. Alright, here's a quick demo of a caret positioned emoji picker pop-up. When I type colon, the emoji picker appears exactly where my cursor is. But OpaqueRange also works great with the CSS Custom Highlight API, which lets you style text ranges with CSS. And also the ranges are live, so that means that they automatically update as the user edits the text. So once a word is highlighted and the text is typed before it, the highlight follows in real time. So if you're interested to try it out, you can do so in 2 simple ways. First, you can do it locally by enabling the experimental web platform features flag in Microsoft Edge at least 148 or any other Chromium-based browsers with a matching version. Or if you want to try it with your own users on your production website, you can also register for the Origin trial. So finally, if you want to learn more, check out our explainer document on GitHub, and you can also play with the live demo, and I'll put the link as well on the screen. And finally, if you do try it out and you have feedback, any type of feedback at all, please feel free to reach out to us by filing a new issue on our explainers repo as well. And with that, thanks very much for listening, and I hope the OpaqueRange feature is helpful to you.